Guys, in this video I will show you how to use 9proxy IP based plan with Tun2tap. Alright, so without further ado, let's go into it. First thing you do is buy your 9proxy IPs. Okay, let me show you where to buy it from. You head on to this website, proxyvendor.com. Let me type this, proxyvendor.com. Okay, once you are here, you click on 9proxy. Okay, you can click on 9proxy, or you can just click on browse stocks. Okay, but I like to go direct, so click on 9proxy. Then you pick the plan you want to buy. So let's assume you want to buy these 10 IPs. You click on the 10 IPs. Let's load it, so you see all the details of the 10 IPs first. Okay, you see all the details here, and you can add to their 31 in stock. Okay, and then this is the price for the 10 IPs. So you can click on purchase now, and it will show you. You select whether you pay in naira if you're in Nigeria, or if you're outside Nigeria you pay with crypto. Okay, so once you're done with the payment, it will redirect you back to the other page. Okay, after making your payments, it should bring you back here. So just simply click here. Okay, once you click here, it will bring you to this page. You click on this view. Okay, and it will show you your proxy, your CD key. Okay, you copy your CD key. Once you copy your CD key from here, you head back to the 9proxy website. Okay, or you can simply click on this. Where is it? You can simply click on this redeem share code button here, and it will bring you to this page where you this share code page. Okay, it will bring you here, and you redeem your CD key. You paste it here and redeem. Click on redeem, then you redeem the CD key. Okay, so after that you go to this page, these IPs. Okay, under this residential here, you can see this first one. The first one is IPs, right? You click on IPs. So once you hit on IPs, okay, you then click on this proxy2web. Okay, click on proxy2web and create. Okay, so we're on the proxy2web page. Okay, so if you don't see any user here, you simply click on this. If you don't see any user here, you click on this add new. Okay, to create a new user. You can allocate IP or leave it as unlimited, but since I already have a user here, I'm going to just leave it like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is, to select our IP details. These are the policy settings. So you select the country, if you want the state, wherever you want, you do the settings here. Okay, so let me just freak this right quick. Let me select the country. You do now. What am I doing? Be patient. Okay, let me search GB. Okay, I select GB. Alright, so now you select whether you want to target by states, by ISP, or by city. Okay, so let me just target by states. Okay, England. Alright, so you see all the settings I did here are going to show up here. Alright, they are going to show up here. So these are the list of details you can use. You can decide to use this first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, up to the 10th one. Okay, you can decide to use any of them that you feel like, but let us use the first one. Okay, just copy. You copy the first one. You can highlight everything and copy, or you can just leave it like that. But let me just show you something real quick. Okay, first thing you do is just this endpoint format here that you can see here. You click on it and make sure the host is the first one to make the job very easy for you. The host. So now it's host, port, username, and password. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is this. We are going to copy After this, we are going to copy, okay, before we go to our Tun2tap, okay. So after you copy it, you look for somewhere to paste this, okay. Where is my, you paste it somewhere, okay. So let me show you back. Now according to this format, the first one is the host, okay. We'll do now. According to this format, the first one is the host, followed by the port, followed by the username, then the last one is the password, okay. So since we've already copied it, let us go to our Tun2tap now. You can see our Tun2tap. In our Tun2tap, the host and the port always come together with this. You see, this is the host, then you put the column, then this is the port, okay. So since they come together, let us go and copy them together, okay. Just like we saw, this first one is the host, this second one is the port, then the third one is the username, then the last one is the password, okay. So let us copy the host and the port together, okay. This is the host and the port now. Okay, so after you paste this, the next thing you're going to do is click on this authentication settings, okay. Authentication settings, then you click on enable. Let's go and copy the username. Make sure to remove this column. Copy the username. What did I click? This is the username. The last one is the password. Always make sure you remove this column so that you don't end up suffering. Okay, this is the password.
Sell gift card scam before.
Okay, then you hit on connect. Some people do click on this. You don't have any business with this UDP setting, so you just click on connect right away. Let's connect. Yeah, say your gift card. If Tun2tap will start showing you advert like this, that means you've connected. You can see my key has showing, it's showing already. So let us hit on, let's check our Hua.net. Hua.net, okay. You see, United Kingdom, our IP is in the UK, okay. The ISP is Virgin Media. That's the ISP they got us, okay. I think that's basically how to use 9proxy on your phone. They just introduced this system yesterday, okay. They just after the maintenance edits 10th February. So today is 11th February, so this is the second day, and yeah, this is very easy for us now. And one thing that I think is a very good development is the fact that why is it reloading? Okay, it's because I'm connected to one. Now let me disconnect. Okay, so when you come to this proxy2web, when you click on this proxy2web, okay, you're going to see that there's one for history. There's a dashboard for history, usage history for the last 24 hours, okay. So you can still copy back, connect back to IPs. Okay, these are all the IPs that are connected to the last 24 hours. Okay, you can still connect back to them. Okay, all you have to do is just click on the username. Okay, get the username. So all you have to do is just copy the username, hit on the username like this, it will copy, then you go and replace the username and the password there, and that is basically it. And you go back and start using it. So I think from what I'm seeing here, I don't know, I've not tested it extensively. Like I said, they just introduced this yesterday, and I am testing it today. So I don't know how long the IPs are going to last, but they are showing that it's supposed to last for 24 hours. Okay, for 24 hours. So which is, if it actually lasts for 24 hours, that's a very good development. All right. Okay, without wasting your time, let me show you the website to buy the proxy again before we go. proxyvendor.com. Okay, proxyvendor.com is the website. You buy your proxy, you click on 9proxy, and that is basically it. Alright, see you guys in the next video.